So today I am going to show you guys how to replace a battery. It just so happened to be on this 2024 Toyota Camry, but if you do these exact same methods, you can replace any battery on any car. Just follow these exact same steps and you'll be good to go. You'll need a 10 millimeter and a 12 millimeter. The 10 millimeter is going to be for the actual pull down, right? So we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to take it off. And wrap it because we do not want any arcs and we do not want to fry that ECM. All right, so now we have this for the battery hold down. And for those who've seen my preventative maintenance videos, you would know that I've always said, there you go, battery can be removed and be replaced. This battery's good. I just want to demonstrate to you guys how to do this, but there's also something else that you need to see. All right, guys, so this is my battery memory saver. Remember, if you've seen my video, uh, this is what I'm talking about. If you haven't, this battery saver is meant to save the memory in your car. With these brand new cars, if you were to disconnect that battery like I did without putting this up, you're going to have a really bad day. You're going to hate life because on certain cars, your car will go in limp mode with the check engine code. On other cars, you're going to have a check engine code thrown because all of these little modules require uh, a certain amount of voltage going into electrical components from the ABS or TCM. They all need voltage. So that's what this is. You hook it up. So I have a little 12-volt battery. I hooked it up and it's sending power to there. And it's going to make sure that when I put the new battery on, that it works perfectly fine. And I'm going to show you once I start the car back up. So let's go back up front and we're going to hook it up. All right, so now we're just going to reverse everything back in. And for those who seem to not agree, right? Uh, I dare you to not use a battery uh, saver on the following cars. Matter of fact, on any of the brand new ones, such as BMWs, Audis, even the Chevys are that way too. Your car will go in a limp mode. Once your car goes in a limp mode, now you will need a mechanic to come fix your stuff and to clear out those codes. So it's very important that you use those battery savers. It's going to save you time and it's going to save you money. And also remember too, whenever you're replacing a battery, the negative terminal is going to be the first one on, last one off. First one off, last one on. You can go ahead and cover that back up. And then make sure that when you guys are letting people work on your cars, that they know what they're doing. And the technicians or mechanics or people that are working on these cars, make sure you know what you're doing before you touch these people's cars. Because these brand new cars are all electronic. And there's so many electrical components that are dependent on battery power. So now we can go up and we can start the car. So now that we got the battery back on, I can go ahead and disconnect everything, which I just did. And let's go ahead and start up the car. Everything is cleared. You see? No problem. That's how the modern cars are going to be. make sure you use a battery saver, or else it's going to cost you a lot of money to fix your car. If you guys enjoyed this content, like and follow for more car facts and more repair videos as well.